Footsteps dissolve in the hallway air. The clock forgets how to count.
this was love, let